Hi, welcome to BVS Learning. Today topic is two-dimensional shapes. See here first square. What is this one? Square. Square is all sides are equal and all angles are compulsory 90 degree. See here next one is what? Rectangle. See, rectangle opposite sides are equal and all angles are compulsory 90 degree. Next shape is what? Circle. This one is circle. Next shape is what? Triangle. Next one shape is triangle. Please subscribe my channel.